sun's too bright, the sky's too blue, beer's too cold to be thinking about you. Gonna take this heart, tuck it away, save it for a rainy day. Save it for a rainy day. Twin Cities #1 for New Country 102.1 K102. Loading up for Fan Jam tickets all day today on the 15s and 45s on a ticket tag day here today. What? What's so fun? What was so fun?
Nothing. She's playing with Snapchat and they have these filters and I don't have
Dude.
it. So I always think it's so funny. And then she sits there like this, looking like a selfie.
Getting on my
Looks like
nerves.
she's just-
Look at it coming.
See, that's funny.
The radio show millennials here, man. Just anything. So it is cute. Why don't you post it on Facebook so you can all